Meet Fairmate, an Indian multinational company that has made its mark in the realm of construction chemicals. Their dedication to offering affordable solutions and top-notch services has garnered them a strong global presence. FAIRSCREED VF. It is a thixotropic, solvent-free epoxy adhesive ideal for bonding a wide range of building materials to one another, i.e. concrete, brick, metal, stone, and wood. FAIRSCREED VF is a versatile, epoxy paste adhesive being particularly suitable for all general-purpose bonding operations. It may also be used for thin-section concrete repairs. Advantages of FAIRSCREED VF. Excellent adhesion to most building materials. Bonds to damp substrates. Low odor. Thixotropic nature facilitate application in both vertical and overhead locations. Suitable for segment joining of gap width between 5 mm to 15 mm. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.